Welcome to Tech Help guys. So today I'm going to show you how to change region on Netflix. So first, open your Netflix application. Then click your profile and you'll be directed to the home section. Download VPN in your store or Play Store. In here, I am downloading Privado VPN. So next, open that VPN and click what region you want to change your Netflix into and just tap to connect. When you're connected, you can see it on the upper right corner, which says VPN, and make sure that you closed your Netflix already and then click Netflix again and just, yeah, and there you go. You already changed your region on Netflix via VPN. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment,